Hi guys, welcome to this channel. My name is Abukore. In this video I'm gonna be showing you how you can edit your Medium publication after creating it if you made a mistake, and how you can delete a publication. So if you are new to this channel, make sure you hit the subscribe button and hit the notification bell so that you'll be the first person to use the tactics I'll be sharing in my next video. So the first thing we'll be doing is that you are going to log in or your Medium account. Then you click on the icon here. Then you scroll down to the publication. Click on publication. Click on publication. You are going to see the publication you own. So take for instance, I want to edit this publication. So the first thing I'm gonna be doing in order for me to edit my publication, I'm gonna click here. So I'm gonna click on manage publication. Once you click on manage publication, so you can easily edit your publication from here. So you click here, the icon of the publication. Once you click on it, so you click on home page and settings. So then from here you can easily edit the name of the publication, the tagline, the description, the publication avatar, the publication logo, and the publication cover photo. So you can also edit your tags and you can add a writer. So that is how you can easily edit your Medium publication. So if you want to delete your Medium publication, you just have to click on the advanced button here. Then you simply click on delete publication. So then you confirm. So then your publication has been deleted. So that is how you can easily edit your publication after creating it, and if you made a mistake, and that is how you can easily delete any publication you don't want anymore. So thank you for watching this video. If you are new to the channel, make sure you hit the subscribe button and you hit the notification bell. And if you find anybody in this video, make sure you give me a thumbs up and make sure you leave a comment in the below so that I can answer to your question. Thanks you for watching. See you in my next video.